Hey guys, we received this Metka calibrated medicine spoon for kids, baby or toddler. So this is the 2 pack, 10 ml capacity, plastic oral liquid dose medication thing. So you can see this comes in a nice protective pack. So these are the 2 pack. So I can just take out one. So this is not easily breakable and you can hold this with this stand. So there is a stand in the back. So what individually you do that you can put in the medicine with the what ml you want to give, and slowly it can comes in this spoon so that you can feed to the kids or the baby. So these are the graduated marks on this, as you can see. So you can measure your medicine or the syrup easily, and then uh, you can just give it to the kid. So say like I'm just putting some water just for the show. So you can see, you can just put in the water to measure how exactly this much is, and then you can put it like this way, and slowly you can give it to the kid. So these are just the water. So it's not thick, but the thick will stay, and it's good